So we're going to do a taste test for, well, we bought a few snacks from it was called Asiana. It's an Eastern Asian kind of shop. So basically we've got some nice snacks. I want to see what they taste like and if we like them. So what we're going to do is we're going to give them a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you like them. So if you like them, we do thumbs up. If you don't like them, what do we do? Thumbs down.
Good
so,
job.
What shall we try first?
What should we try first, Ted? The drink.
You have been looking forward to this drink for a long
The
time.
Pokemon one.
What Pokemon is it?
Duck.
Psyduck.
What flavour is it?
Oh, do you know what flavour it
Strawberry.
is? Strawberry. So shall we show everyone? So this is a Pokemon drink. It's got Psyduck on the top, well, on the front of it, and it's meant to be strawberry flavour. So it's quite interesting because the can. Look at the can. Look at that. That's not like these ones. That one's a little bit different. It's like a pull tab. So look, it's a pull tab. So shall we try and open it?
Yeah.
Do you
We've
want
got
Daddy
a
to try and
straw
open it?
here as well.
Got straws to use.
I'm going to use
So,
mine.
whoa,
I'm going to
whoa.
use dust.
Look at that.
What?
Look how that comes out.
Wow.
Look at that. Look at the ring So,
Oh, can you smell it already?
oh, can you smell that strawberry
Very
taste?
strawberry, isn't
So,
it?
do you want to try first?
Put the straw in there,
There
baby.
you go. Put your straw in and give it a go. Ooh. So, is that a thumbs up?
Yeah.
That's a definite thumbs up, isn't it? So,
Shall
Toby
we taste
likes
it?
that.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Your
Can
mummy
Mummy taste it?
And you can be down.
Oh,
Describe the taste.
tastes like strawberry tonic water.
Strawberry tonic water.
Yeah.
Don't know if I'm going to like this. I'm not a fan of tonic water,
Are
so
you going to be down?
let's see.
You're going to be
I
down.
don't know. I don't know.
You bumped
I'm
up.
like half and half.
You bumped
Because
up.
it is nice. It's nice
You
and
bumped
refreshing.
up. You bumped up. You bumped up, Mom.
Okay.
Okay, I've got my decision. Shall we do it after three and do thumbs up and thumbs down?
Okay.
Yeah.
So, after three.
One,
One,
two,
two,
three.
three. Oh, we all got thumbs up.
Yeah.
Well, I got a finger up, but yeah. Thumbs up.
For all thumbs up.
Thumbs up. So that was nice. So, good old Psyduck strawberry drink. I do understand that, the whole
Now
tonic water.
Yeah. It's got that tonic-y, like flavoured water, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Fizzy flavour water, I would say.
And
Alright,
now
what,
let's take
do you want to try a
Should we
snack first?
Should we do a snack first and then another drink after?
Yeah, let's do it. We'll do that in a minute.
Let's
Right.
try mine.
And just to let you know, this was a product of China.
Let's try
So
that
it's a
one.
Chinese product. That was
Let's
very
try
nice.
that one.
Wanna try this one? So, these ones are little pandas, or no, koala bears. And this is a product of Thailand as well.
Oh.
They're meant to be another strawberry thing. So, that one, we'll go with the strawberry.
Are you in a strawberry flavour phase at the
Yeah,
moment?
you like strawberries, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's
Shall
try
we
it. Oh,
open it?
what's here?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a little
We got
thing
pizza.
says, who is this koala? You can see the identity on the bottom of the box and use the message card. So this koala, well, it's not there.
There's a message.
Okay, let's have a look. So these are Koalas March from Thailand.
What will we get? What will
Oh.
we
These
get?
ones are strawberry flavoured koala.
Strawberry, go on.
Just try
Me too,
one.
get one. Go on,
Ooh.
give that a go.
Give it a try.
Go on, eat it all. Eat it all.
No.
Let me have one.
Aw,
Do you-
they're cute.
Oh, okay. You're not a fan? You are? Oh, all right. Wait till we all vote. Shall I eat this one then?
Yeah. It smells familiar. I mean, I know like it's basically a strawberry biscuit, but it smells like something.
I like strawberries.
I don't know. I think that koala's playing with a train or something, but I'll give one more go.
It reminds me
It reminds me
of
dinosaur.
like strawberry custard creams.
Me too.
Yeah, I know what you mean. It's got calcium in. So, have we got our decisions? Thumbs up and thumbs
Are
down.
you ready?
3,
3, 2,
2,
1.
1. Up
So, 2 thumbs down,
and 1 thumbs
1
up.
thumbs up. So, why did you say thumbs down?
Because I don't like it.
Don't like it, yeah, fair enough.
Simple.
Simple. I don't know. I think it.
Let's have that
I think
green now.
it didn't have enough flavour. I think it needed to be more strawberry. It didn't have an inoffensive taste. It just.
Now I like
I
the
think if it was
big
more strawberry, it would have been
one.
nice. What else do we do now?
What should we try now?
You want to try the Fanta?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe
So,
I'll be down all up.
so the story about this Fanta was it was meant to be tropical. We picked up tropical. Well, we thought we did. And I say we. I mean,
Me. Yes, me.
yeah. We wanted the tropical one, and the tropical one looks pretty much identical to this one.
It's just got a pineapple on the front next to the orange.
But this is an orange one. So, I think what we need to understand is, does it taste like the British one? Does it taste like the UK version of Fanta?
Like my guy got.
Not like cider, because that was strawberry. This is orange. So,
Draw time.
let me give it a smell first. What do you reckon?
Smell it.
Alright. Well, you give it a taste and tell me if you like it. Oh, that's a definite
Oh,
thumbs
that's
up already. Alright, I'm going to try it and see if it tastes like the UK version. So this one's from Thailand. So, Thai Fanta. Or shall we say, if it's better than the UK version?
And after we take this,
Okay, we can do that after.
and we can take another drink.
So, I think we can all agree it's a little bit different.
Yeah, it's
Tastes
a bit different.
So it's not the same. So it wasn't a waste of money buying this one because you were like, there's no point tasting it because it's the same as the orange one that we've got.
Yeah.
And I was like, no, I bet Thailand's kicking up some game.
Yeah, no, it is different.
So, we're going to go with, is it better or worse than the UK version?
What do you think?
Better.
Ooh.
Better.
So we'll vote with our thumbs.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. I think it's better.
I don't.
Me too.
It tastes more orangey.
Yeah,
Me too,
yeah.
I'm
I mean,
too.
well, it's weird because a lot of people say the UK version is quite orange, like orange crush from America or whatever. But yeah, I think that's.
Five.
It reminds
We
me
both done it.
Yeah.
I like
of the Fanta that I got in the Dominican Republic when I went
Dad?
years back,
Dad,
and that was beautiful. So I think that's dead nice. I'll
No,
definitely
it's
buy
not.
that again.
Me
It's
too.
So-
more orangey.
It is
Me
more
too.
orangey, so you
I
prefer
like
it.
that.
I do prefer it.
Me
It reminds me
too.
more of like a pure orange juice.
Yeah, I get that.
Do you know what I mean?
Yummy.
It has a stronger orange taste.
Yeah.
Okay, Toby, what do you want to try
snacks?
now? So, this one is a export from the Philippines. So, their awards for guessing what flavour it is. It's
Maybe.
I love cheese.
I love cheese.
You do love cheese. So, this is a mixture of 3 things. So the brand's called Leslie's. Leslie's.
Yay! I got
And you've got
Leslie's.
nacho corn chips, clover chips, and cheesy corn crunch. So I'm guessing they're a bit like, Cheetos. But these ones look different. Look at these circles.
Yeah.
Look at them circles. So let's give them a go. Ready?
I'm just trying to circle.
Right.
Just give them
I'll
a
tell you
smell
what.
test.
Shall we get one each?
Yeah, one of each.
So we've got one nacho,
For me.
one
I think that's
twiggly.
it.
No, yeah, that's the thing. And then you've got the clover, which doesn't really look like a clover, but Here you are, Clover for you.
Thank you.
Clover for me. I think they're a bit more like
How about mine? I want mine.
crunchy quaver, like really crunchy quaver. And then a nacho for you. Do you need a twiglet thing?
Oh yes, please.
Hold on. There you go.
Yeah.
And then you need a nacho, don't you? Well, the distribution of nachos in this bag's not amazing. You know, here's a nacho. That's the best I can get for you. It's a cheesy one. So, alright then. So, where's my nacho? You stole my nacho. You stole my
I take
nacho.
it you like the nachos.
Oh, I'll have to get another nacho. Put me on to find that one. So, nacho. Yeah, I'll do bits of nacho. Try nacho first.
I don't do that one.
No, I'm rating these against Doritos. Because let's face it,
I really do like them.
they're nice. Well, you can try them as well.
You try them, baby. They've all got the same flavour.
Let's try this one.
The dark one.
Very cool, okay.
You just took all.
That's a big crunchy one, though, isn't it?
No, they are. They're really nice. I like them. I do rate them. They remind me of the Doritos cheese ones.
They're a bit of a stronger flavour on, like if you, like here we've got Walker's mix-ups or whatever they're called.
Oh no.
It has like the fries, Doritos and what, the Bugles. So it's a similar vibe, but yeah, I think the taste of that a little bit nicer. It's very similar to Doritos tangy cheese.
Yeah, I'd say they're a lot like Doritos. They are
So,
nice.
let's do our pommes. Well, hold on.
Supposed to wait until you do
It's
the
all good,
counting.
it's all good. Right, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, definitely buy them again.
Yeah.
They've got it right. I love cheese is pretty
And
much.
to be fair, I think they were only
I
like,
mean, they were a
like
pound.
like 98p, weren't they?
Yeah. We'll put them to the
So
side.
let's face it, they are a bit cheaper than Doritos, that
Oh,
thing.
yeah, to be fair, cost of living. So, are we going to go for another stack? Right, so this one, we're going to go with, so this is grape and coconut.
I love that.
Or is it coconut water?
Not drink.
Grape?
No,
I don't know.
Not drink.
So, this one is from, let's figure it out.
Tiger.
Oh,
Tiger home.
this is Korean.
Tiger home.
Product of Korea. I assume it's South Korea because
Huh?
I assume it would be very expensive from
Daddy,
North
can I
Korea.
get that out of this?
Yeah.
Them.
So, let's try this. Have we got another straw?
No, we've run out of straw.
Let's use that one.
I'm going to do my dry dog.
Alright. So grape and coconut or coconut water grape.
Yeah.
It's called Cocoa Palm
Cocoa Palm.
and from Korea.
Korea.
So I'll let you try it first, Toad.
Thank you.
Oh, don't be voting yet. I'll let Mummy try it.
Are you going to be down?
Hold on. Let's find out.
It's a mommy
There's
taste.
chunks in it.
Chunks.
There's chunks in
Oh,
it.
look at that mix.
No, you know, like the bubble tea with the bubbles in it, like those little squishy balls.
Yeah. Like
It's
gelatinous.
like, yeah. I quite like it though.
I quite like it too.
It's an interesting taste, isn't it? Yeah, I think it is like grape. But like,
Yeah, I can taste the grape more than the coconut, but no, I like it. I like it.
They're all the dudes. They're all the
But yeah, you've got
Okay.
the little
They're all the
balls
dudes.
at the bottom.
I've got my, but yeah, no, it's got the gelatinousness, which is like, I think, is it grape? Is it grape?
I can
like-
taste grape.
I know, I can taste the grape, but is the gelatinous actually just grape?
Me too. Me too. Me too. Great.
Do you want to try it one more?
Do you want to try some more?
No? Okay, so,
I think I'll have that.
you want that one over there?
I
Well,
like this one.
from
I
the
want that one over
Fanta,
there.
I don't like him that.
I want that one over there.
You could have the, so I think we all have a favourite drink, but
We do. I like this though.
at the moment, we're not talking about side up, we're not talking about Fanta, we're talking about Cocoa Palm. So, after 3, you've got to do a vote.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh,
you
okay.
want
So you're not a
thumbs
fan.
down.
I don't
I'm a
like
fan.
it.
I'm a
You're a
fan.
fan. So usually,
Round.
you know, I'm a bit funny with stuff like that,
Yeah.
with like jelly, like textures and stuff like that. But
Because
Yeah,
I
like
don't
bitty
like
things.
yeah, that's quite nice. No, that's not bitty though. I wouldn't
It's
say
not bitty. It's just got those.
It's quite nice. I like it.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Not
Did
good.
you like it at all? What didn't you like about it?
Everything.
Everything.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
That's deep. Okay.
I'm not drink.
So shall we try and remove the flavour of the grape out of the mouth and pick a different snack? Which snack we can? Oh, we've got white rabbits as well. But where we
White
go?
rabbits.
White rabbits. So
You like rabbits?
I know white rabbits.
Me
They're
too.
very nice.
You've never had them before.
I've had them
Mummy's
before.
never had them
You've
before.
never had them
Me too.
before.
I have them before.
So they're a sweet that
Oh,
is
done.
well a product of China.
China.
China. Woo-hoo.
Again.
White rabbit.
White rabbit, guys.
These weren't too expensive, like £2.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man, guys.
Spider-Man, yeah.
He's lying down
Right.
the wall. Trying to get down.
Right, one for you.
Thank
One
you.
for you.
I got
And one
purple.
for you. And look, it's all
Are
got,
they all the same flavour?
look, yeah, they're all the same flavour. There is different flavours of white rabbit that you can get, but this is just like the original, I believe. But yeah, cool little wrapper.
Open mine.
Oh.
Wrapper, you got it? You got it?
So it's in a wrapper, in a wrapper.
Yeah, a wrapper in a
Oh,
wrapper.
or is that just oh no, in a
No,
wrapper.
it kind of is a wrapper.
Can you eat that?
Yeah, whatever, see what happens.
I can't
Right.
eat it. I can't eat
Yeah, that's fine too. That's all good. Try it. Here you go.
I don't want to eat it.
So, it's quite creamy.
Yeah.
It's a bit like, I would say, you want to try a little bit more? No. Okay, I'll hold it. Quite creamy. Tastes like, slightly like vanilla ice cream.
Down.
What will you say? Very chewy.
Back to it.
Mother said never to eat with my mouth full, but, you know,
Me too.
might as well.
Can you speak with your mouth?
Yeah, whatever.
I don't want to eat these.
I'm not a fan.
Okay.
I'm not back.
So I think we should vote anyway. I think I know how the vote's going to go. But, yeah, I think they're quite nice. But 3, 2, 1. 2 votes down. Unlucky white rabbit. They didn't follow you down the hole. But I thought they're nice, so, yeah.
The taste isn't too bad. I get what you're saying about the whole vanilla ice cream. It reminds me slightly a bit of white chocolate as well.
Yeah, actually, yeah. What's the
Yeah, it's just really chewy and quite hard.
Whole milk powder and butter, so yeah, right.
Yeah, like white chocolate.
Next we can try that.
Well, Funky China, what's next? We've got these. These look cool.
Ooh.
Purple.
Pillows. What's your favourite colour?
Purple.
So, these are called Ushi. Ushi? Ushi? Pillows, oob-filled crackers. Oob.
They remind me of cereal, you know?
Like cream.
Right.
And
Yeah.
they're colours.
Like just looking at them, they
They're
kind of
all
remind me of
the
that.
colours. They're all bits of colours. They're different colours.
I don't know, sweetheart.
This is from...
Tang-tang. Tang-tang.
You and your made up words.
One
I'm so
tang-tang.
sure.
And one tang-tang.
Philippines.
Tang-tang.
Philippines.
Tang-tang.
So, I'll have to tear it, so I'll tear bit then instead. Ooh. Maybe not,
I
eh?
don't want to open.
Hold on. Here we are.
You're the best.
No. I love you. So,
They're different colours, Dad.
pillows.
They're
Does it even
different
tell us
colours.
what flavour it
They're
is?
different
Smell
colours,
it.
Dad.
What's it like?
Oh, that smells nice. Smell it. Can you smell it?
Hello. They're
Hello.
cereal.
You want a
Thank
pillow?
you.
Cereal. They're cereal.
Mm. try it.
That's quite hazelnutty.
That'll be yummy.
Mm. What is that? It'd be interesting if I could actually even read the language. But yeah, that's interesting. You want another one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's good.
Mm.
Is they like cereal?
You're very like. Yeah,
I
you
would
like.
eat these as cereal. I will put milk on it.
Yeah.
I know cereal.
Alright. Alright, Philippines. Going in with your pillows.
Yeah, no. These are quite top rated.
Crackers. Crackers. Good. Well, okay. So, Ushi or Oshi pillows, ood-filled crackers. 3, 2, 1. I think that's a winner. That's a winner. Yeah. That's
Big
spot
thumbs
on.
up. Big thumbs up.
Okay.
I like it.
So, which one are we going to try next?
Which one?
I
Right,
need
let's
one.
go.
I couldn't pick.
Shall mummy pick?
Yeah.
Let's pick these ones.
Ooh.
I've been dying to try these.
So,
Yeah.
Calbee. I can't read the. This should be Calbee. These are a product of the one and only China. And yeah, these look like crunchy knickknacks or crunchy.
Nappos.
What's it called?
Cheetos.
Cheetos.
Yeah.
Oh, what's it? Yeah. I know what's it's got the latest ones.
They're colours. They're different colours.
And I think these are like shish kebab flavour. Shish kebab? I don't know. We'll see.
I don't
Go on.
think about it.
Dig on in.
Go on then.
Oh, and you. And I'll go for one as well.
Ooh.
Mmm.
You're interested. Not bad.
Yummy.
So, let's give it a go.
Mmm.
Try again.
I now want to try again.
Come on.
The smell reminds me of
Ooh.
beef monster munch.
Yeah, be more.
Just the smell, the taste, very mild taste. It's not a very strong taste.
I wouldn't say they smell like beef monster much at all.
No.
They're very corny. They smell very corny. Obviously, I mean, it's got a massive cob on the top, on the front of it, so I'd assume it's going to smell corny. But yeah, you do get that hint of like kebab flavour. I think a little, very, very subtle.
Yeah. It's a mild taste.
So if you're not a massive fan of kebab flavours,
I got me.
it's not that bad. So yeah.
That's what you need a wee.
I'll tell you what, we'll take a little quick break whilst Toby has a wee, and then we'll come back for the votes. Yeah?
Yeah.
Go. Right.
3.
Well, no, hold on. Welcome back from that little bit of an intermission. But yeah, so Calbee corn snacks,
Yeah.
kebab corn snacks from
What are you looking?
China. So let's go. Shall we vote?
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Big thumbs up.
No, I'm not a massive fan. No. So what did you like about it?
Everything.
Everything. And what did you like about it?
I like the texture. They're very puffy. Is that the word?
No.
Like
you know
quite
what?
eerie. It's not that strong of a flavour, which I like as well.
See, what I think. I think from Dad is quite harsh because it's not like that. I would say in the middle, to be fair. The flavour's just not there. I mean, I like the corny flavour. It's just and the texture is beautiful. But yeah, I just think the flavours.
I think that's why I like it. That it's not overly powerful.
Right. So, last but not least, we've got the Lay's. Now they look like massive bacon chunks there, but on the back it says it's grilled pork flavour. So again, this is a product of China. So let's give these a taste.
I'm going to hold.
Oh,
Oh, don't move
It's
it.
going to be another tearer.
I'm gonna hug it.
Yeah.
Oh.
What does that smell?
Oh, smell it. What does it smell like?
Hug.
It smells like the Hulk, does it? You give it a
Smell
smell.
like old pants.
Oh.
Smell like old pants.
Quite like that.
It's birds.
Oh, that's dirty.
Yeah, very, very hammy. Alright, go on then. Pick
Can I
one.
get one?
Where are you hiding?
You have one.
Thank you.
And then I'll try one. Oh, nice little. So, crinkle cut ones. Very crunchy. Yeah.
Nice. They remind me of something.
Mama got me.
You can taste the grilling.
Yeah. You can taste it.
But yeah.
Maybe we all do.
I think it's quite nice.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, guys.
Strangely enough, they remind me of
You can read it now,
the
Dad.
steak and onion.
You can read
Maybe.
it now.
Maybe, yeah, I guess it. Beef
Yeah?
and onion.
Beef and onion, is that it?
Yeah, beef and onion, wasn't it?
Mom,
Yeah, now you say that, I can taste it a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Dad can read.
So, yeah, okay. So, China Lays. China Lays with Lay's potato chips grilled pork flavour. Is it a thumbs up or thumbs down? After 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, thumbs up. I think that's one of the best ones, to be
They're
fair.
all of them.
That hits on flavour. If that flavour was in that'd be brilliant. But yeah, this flavour in there would be perfect.
Okay, Toby.
So what we're
Out
going
of
to
everything, what did you like best? The drink.
do. So yours that's your favourite.
I do.
So the strawberry Pokemon with Psyduck. That was your favourite.
And what your favorite?
Oh, what was your favourite?
Probably these.
Okay.
These are probably my favourite.
See, I'll be honest with you.
I like
It's
it.
quite hard for me to pick what my
Red
favourite
wine.
is. Because these are really nice.
Like those.
But so are these.
I
But then the Fanta's banging, and also that's banging. The pillows were a dark horse.
I love those.
You like that?
And that.
And this, you like the strawberry things? No, you
No.
didn't like them, did you? No. Oh, you
No.
like the pillows.
They're
So,
all my favourites.
all his favourite. Toby, thank you very much for attending this taste test. Thank you for letting Mummy and Daddy involved. I think the great thing was
Eat them more.
not that great. It was okay, but I was actually surprised I liked it.
Drink them
I liked it. I do like it. I'm surprised.
But
you
biggest
liked it.
shock was these. These, I'm up. You know what? I'm on the one now.
And these.
I think we need to go get some more of them.
Yeah.
I want to try them with milk.
It's an expensive. I think that'll be an expensive bowl of cereal if it came in like that. But yeah,
Yeah, but it's all like
Crave.
a one-off snack.
Crave. Listen to this. You need to make these. Make these, Crave, and you'll be winning. But yeah, I think that is the end of the video. Thank you for attending. Obviously, like and subscribe. But yeah, we've enjoyed this one. Was this a good video?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's a good video.
High five,
I'm
Mummy.
going to drink these.
And if anyone has any recommendations of what we should try next, comment below.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna finish these off. But thank you very much.
These two.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.